So we got this question. If the area of triangle whose one vertex is the vertex of the parabola this. So we have this parabola. So you have to find out the vertex. Okay. And other two vertices are the point of intersection of the parabola and y-axis. Okay. So look at this. You know that for a triangle, we will have three things. These guys are talking about parabola's vertex. So we will find, and the other 2 points are point on y-axis. Okay. So point on y-axis means what? X should be 0. So can I write 4 times a square? It will become minus. Okay. So can I go with y square equals to 4a square? So can I go with 0 comma 2a 0 comma minus 2a? Correct. So we got 2 points. Now we have to find out the vertex. Then only we can find out the area of a triangle. Okay. So for vertex, you know that we have to write this thing in standard form. So 4 times x minus a square. Now you know that I have to keep coefficient of y and coefficient of x as 1, and it is like that. So what we will do, we will replace y with y square minus 4. I'll assume a to be 1 and x to be capital X. So capital X is equal to x minus a square. Okay. Now this is what? Left side opening parabola, है ना? Look at this. You know that this is left side opening parabola. So you know that this is the focus. Correct. This is the focus minus a comma 0. It is the focus a comma 0, and this is the vertex 0 comma 0. Means x comma y should be 0 comma 0. Correct. Now who is capital X? Capital X equals to 0. Capital X is x minus a square equals to 0. So x equals to a square. Okay. And y to be 0. So y is equal to 0. Capital Y is small y. Okay. So y equals to 0. So can I say that the vertex is a square comma 0? Done. I hope till this part you guys are comfortable. Now look at this. Now you know that this is isosceles triangle. So it is isosceles triangle. Also you know that this is perpendicular to x-axis. Correct na? This line is perpendicular to x-axis. And this point is 0 comma 0 in reality. Correct? Because this would be the midpoint na? So 0 plus 0 by 2. 2a plus minus 2a by 2, 0. है ना? So if I'll ask you area of triangle, you will say half base height. In reality, the area is 250, है ना? But area is half base. Can you please tell me the length of this thing? So 2a above, 2a below. It is talking about distance, na? So it is 4a. Half base height. Height is this thing, a square. Correct? So this thing will be neutralized. 125. So can I write a cube equals to 125? So a equals to 5. Correct? And we are interested in finding value of a only. Okay? So a value of a is 5. I hope the idea is clear.